These beauty tips are attacking your body. Welcome to Body Under Attack. And you had no idea. You wash 3 times a day? That tight feeling? That's your skin barrier screaming. Scrubbing acne away? You're making it worse. Acne is inflammation, not just dirt. Oily by noon? Don't reach for a scrub. Blotting papers, that's your move. Pores don't have muscles. They can't open or close. Strong cleansers just cause more damage. Post-gym full facial scrub? Stop. A quick, gentle rinse is all your skin needs. Your dermatologist wants you to wash less. Fewer cleanses actually heal your barrier. Who knew laziness worked? That $120 cream? You're mostly paying for the jar. Active ingredients are what actually matter. Exotic ingredient names sound fancy, but without the right dose, completely useless. Influencer swears by it? That's not science. Look for peer-reviewed proof, not pretty packaging. That gorgeous glass jar? It's destroying your actives. Light exposure degrades everything inside. Spend on luxury for joy. But pick your actives with science. Both things can be true. Drugstore sunscreen versus high-end. Same protection. SPF is regulated, price is not. Natural won't irritate me. Lavender. Citrus. Essential oils. All common allergens. Always patch test. Chemical-free? Water is a chemical. Everything is. Natural doesn't mean safe or gentle. Tea tree oil helps some people and burns others. Concentration matters. Don't just pour it on. Swap your cream for essential oils. Undiluted oils can sensitize and burn your skin. Rubbing lemon on your face is trending and terrifying. Burns, hyperpigmentation, irreversible damage. Clean beauty sounds safe. It's marketing, not medicine. Read the ingredients, don't assume. You cannot shrink pores permanently. But retinoids and salicylic acid, they make them look smaller. Cold water tightening pores? That's a temporary illusion. Nothing structural changes, nothing. Steam doesn't shrink pores. It softens the gunk inside. Makes extractions easier. That's it. Clay masks tighten temporarily. Useful? Yes. Permanent? Not even close. Enjoy it for what it is. Lasers actually stimulate collagen, visibly reducing pore size. That's a dermatologist conversation worth having. No magic cream exists. But consistency with the right actives, that's real, visible change. Cloudy day? 80% of UV still hits your skin. Clouds are not sunscreen. Never were. Working near a window? UVA passes right through glass. Your home office is aging your skin. Makeup SPF isn't enough. You'd need a ridiculous amount. Layer a real sunscreen underneath, always. Darker skin and skipping sunscreen? Melanin protects. It does not make you immune. Sun damage isn't just summer. It stacks up every single day. Year-round SPF, non-negotiable. SPF 30 or higher. Broad spectrum, reapply every 2 hours outdoors. Simple rules, massive protection. Exfoliating every morning for glow? You're stripping your barrier raw. 1 to 3 times weekly, max. Pumice scrub on your face? That's micro tears, inflammation, infection. Please, gentle tools only. Daily acids for acne? Overuse causes rebound breakouts. Your skin needs balance, not overdose. Exfoliating daily for smoother makeup? You're destroying long-term texture. Try a gentle primer instead. Weekly microdermabrasion sounds productive. Your skin needs recovery time. Schedule it, don't binge it. Patch test first. Start once a week. Listen to your skin, not the trend. Split ends can't heal. No product reverses them. Only scissors fix this. That's just the truth. Brushing wet hair aggressively? Wide tooth comb, gentle strokes. Start from the ends, not the root. Not hair oils look like magic, but they're just hiding the damage. Trim for the real fix. Skipping trims to grow length? Split ends travel upward and break more. Trims help you grow. Heat protectant is non-negotiable. Heat causes structural damage. Every single time you style without it, damage. Protein treatments help, but overuse makes hair brittle. Balance protein with moisture. Know your hair's needs. 10 serums layered at once? That's not skincare. That's a reaction waiting to happen. More concentration isn't faster results. Higher dose means higher risk. Optimal beats maximum every time. Mixing retinol and acids together? That combo can torch your skin. Alternate nights. Seriously. Expired products on your shelf? Bacteria, fungi, lost potency. Toss them. Don't hoard skincare. That's all 8 myths. Busted. If this helped, subscribe. New videos drop regularly. I'll see you next time.